Okay, Dr. Huebner here at Natural Transplants. I'm here with John, and John is here all the way from New Zealand, and he halfway across the world. And so it's amazing to me the different countries that get wind of our clinic and come over and have their surgery. So it just amazes me. But John, tell me about your hair loss. When did it start, and why are you here?
Sure. I guess it's just been progressive. I guess probably, noticed just a couple of extra hairs here and there everywhere the last 20 years.
Yeah.
And it's always been able to sit quite well and be, I guess, reasonably hidden.
Yep.
But it got to a point that as soon as I walked out of the building or out of the house, a little bit of wind and whoosh, it was quite exposed, or
sure.
Or that sort of thing. Yeah.
Okay. And how did you find out about us? I mean, I'm sure the internet, obviously, but and what was your decision process to come halfway across the world as opposed to staying where you are?
So there's no one actually that does it in New Zealand.
Okay.
Directly in a surgery. So it was going to be travel to Sydney at the minimum.
Okay.
So I figured that actually a lot more of it happens here in the US, and that the way that it's managed, I think, is probably a little bit better. So
okay.
I just started searching, and I looked for recommendations.
Awesome.
Okay. Finding you guys in Florida was a bit of a pain because it was on the wrong side of the US to where I had a business trip.
Okay.
So other than a quick flight, I just ended up here, and the volume of success that you've had on the website is what led me to it. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you for coming all the way over. So awesome. We're going to draw out your hairline now and talk about everything, but thanks again for letting other people see your progress and see your day, and we'll be following up closely. Thanks.
All right, cheers.
Okay, so I'm here with John, and John at this point has had the sutures removed. He's had the strip removed. He's got his suture together, and now we're just taking a little break and walking around for 5 or 10 minutes. And John, overall, how's your day going, man? How bad is it for you?
Oh, look, I can't complain.
Yeah.
Effectively pain-free.
Yeah.
A couple of pricks.
Just like the videos you watched.
Yeah, exactly.
It's the same, right? So,
yeah. Just feels a little bit strange, a little bit tight at the back, but other than that, good to go.
Cool. We just ordered some. We're going to order some lunch, and we'll check in a little later.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Go for the Valium.
Recommend. Okay, here with John, who we just completed his surgery, and John is actually just woke up from a nap. He actually slept through the majority of the procedure. John, how do you feel right now? I mean, any pain? Are you starting to have the pain medication or the anesthesia wear off at all in the back?
Yeah, no, feeling pretty good at the moment.
Awesome.
Nothing really painful, just an odd sensation, and
weird sounds, weird sensations, but for the majority of the day he was watching some TV, listening to music, and then took a nap. And
so good sleep.
Good. I'm going to pan up and just kind of show people. Now again, this is the Frankenstein stage, as we say, and right afterwards you kind of look a little funny. But you can see how his hairline is kind of sort of dripping down on his forehead. That's exactly what you want. You don't want any straight lines to catch the eye, so that will be very natural. And you can see the degree to where we packed this frontal third, and it's just completely jam-packed full of hair. And this is going to make a real nice impact on his profile and his appearance. So I know right now he's not too thrilled about it, but it will make sense later, I promise you, John. And thanks again for being such a good sport and paying it forward with your video. And we're really looking forward. The next video we see from John will be probably on Skype or FaceTime, but it will be with him with hair. So looking forward to that one. So thanks a lot, John, and thanks again for coming all the way over from New Zealand.
No worries.
All right. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.